In this video, we're going to give you a basic explanation of what the numbers you see on the storm pin buffer layout system mean. The first number is the pin to PAP distance, or positive access point. This number usually ranges from 0 inches to 6 3/4 inches. If the number is 0, that means that the pin is located on your positive access point. It also means that you'll be positioning the core on its side in a stable position, and the closer to 0, the less the ball will flare and hook. The short pin layouts will create a faster and smoother transition, and this will usually give you early roll and less aggressive or less angular motion in the back end of the lane. These are great to use on more difficult sport patterns, but harder to get through the pins correctly to strike. A 3 3/8 inch pin to PAP will cause the core to wobble and create the maximum amount of flare. As you move the pin distance from 3 3/8 towards 6 3/4 of an inch, the flare potential will decrease and the ball will hook less and later down lane. Using longer pin to PAP layouts will create more shape or change the direction in the back end of the lane. The second number is the distance from the PSA, which is the preferred spin axis on asymmetrical balls, to the positive access point. The PSA to PAP distances between 2.5 inches and 4.5 inches are the strongest. This creates an unstable position and makes the core migrate to a more stable position as it goes down the lane. The stronger the PSA to PAP position, the ball will flare more and react more going down the lane. This number is really only important on asymmetrical cores, not symmetrical cores. The third number is the pin buffer. This is the distance from the pin to the VAL line that runs through your positive access point. The smaller pin buffer distances will generally be up layouts, and the longer numbers will be down layouts. The smaller number will position the holes drilled on the side of the core and will increase the ball's differential. This will make the ball stronger and be faster off the spot down the lane. Now that you have a greater understanding of what layouts mean, you'll be able to look at your own equipment and understand why these bowling balls react the way that they do. It'll also give you a better idea when watching a review video of why that ball reacts the way that it does. Hey, thanks for watching today. If you could give us a like and subscribe, that would definitely help us out a bunch.